A big welcome and a bulletin again to you viewers of 1,000 something is viewing us to here at the ground here at the stadium. Introduce yourself, sir.
Thank you. My name is Peni Matawalu. I'm from Damana, Portumbundra.
Did you have a girlfriend when you were in Australia or not?
Satisfied.
Satisfied. So one in Australia, one here.
That's double.
Okay, how did you like the game when you were in Australia, sir?
New environment and a very, very good accommodation.
Right. So what happened to your eye? Did you sight to where there? No.
My eyes was crack against blues.
Crack against blues. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in this afternoon. I advise to young people, youth, want to play rugby or follow the Drua line. What can the advice can be?
The advice is to just do what you do and enjoy your life.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's the man himself from the mouth his mouth to our mouth to your mouth. Thank you for your mouth.